Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use effects on TikTok Live. TikTok provides its users with a variety of effects in order to make their live videos more interesting. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use effects while streaming on TikTok. Log into your TikTok account and click on the plus button on the main toolbar. Find the Live option on the bottom menu and press on it. After that, hit the effects icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Now you can choose an effect you like in the trending section or use any face filter. When an effect is selected, click somewhere on the screen. Once you're ready to start live streaming, simply tap the Go Live button. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use effects on TikTok Live. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.